This is the Wolf electric truck. Now, it truly is a dynamic sport utility vehicle. It's so much fun. Inside, you got plenty of room for you and another passenger. If you want to throw some gear in the back and take off on an adventure, you got all the room you need back here. In addition, it's on a lithium-ion battery pack that gives you about 275 miles or so, we're estimating. And if you happen to run out of batteries, you're running around town on adventures, you still can plug it into DC power and get 80% charge in only 30 minutes.
The Wolf will be available in a single motor rear-wheel drive system or a dual motor four-wheel drive system. It will have a max towing capacity of 3,000 pounds and acceleration of 0 to 60 in 6.2 seconds.
Now, as we've mentioned, all the amazing technical features and capabilities of this electric truck, we'd also love to share that it does have a very nimble wheelbase, which gives you the opportunity of parking in any standard garage.
The truck bed measures just under 6 feet long, which means you can easily fit all your climbing gear, your mountain bikes, or the cooler for the tailgate.
Now, this release color that you see right next to us is a beautiful color we like to call Finesse. It's a non-metallic, dark blue color.
As we ramp up production lines here in the United States, we anticipate that the Wolf electric truck will be available by the end of 2023. More information on vehicle test drives and delivery dates will be available closer to production. If you're ready to reserve your Wolf electric truck online today, please visit us at alphamotorinc.com. For the most up-to-date information, follow us on Instagram. And don't miss your opportunity to see the Wolf electric truck in person at the world-renowned Petersen Automotive Museum in Los Angeles beginning August 24th, 2021. Now that the Wolf has your attention, we are thrilled to announce that we are partnering with the Michael J. Fox Foundation in raising awareness for Parkinson's research.
We're excited to be able to bring our efforts to the table in joining what is a massive impact in the global community. Over 5 million people are affected by Parkinson's, and this year alone, 60,000 new cases will be diagnosed right here in the United States. Now, if you'd like to help out and join us in this fight to bring awareness to this, we'd like to have you join us on our website at alphamotorinc.com/move humanity.